guys, welcome back to my channel. Nicole Elise here. So today we are going to be dyeing my hair. So today is an exciting day. I feel so good because I finally got rid of my gross, brassy balayage hair. It was just time for me to switch it out. I was so over my hair, I cannot tell you. And I really just got to the point where I was literally just like, I cannot do this anymore. I cannot make it up to LA to go to the girl who always does my hair. I'm just gonna do this myself. Like, how hard can it be? I balayaged my hair once. I did that myself. Doing one whole color can't be that hard. And I wanted to show you guys this entire process because it's so easy. My goal was just to completely erase and get rid of all of the like years of bleach that's in my hair. So I went to Ulta, and I'll just walk you guys through the process. So I went to Ulta and I just wanted box dye. That's all I wanted. I didn't want to go to like Sally's and like pick out the right tube and like get the right like 35 develop. Like, I don't fucking even know how it works. And all they had was like root touch-ups. And so I guess they like made some deal with Madison Reed that like they're gonna take out all the hair like box dyes and just leave root touch-ups and just exclusively have box dye by Madison Reed. So I wanted to like preface this because I have worked with Madison Reed in the past, but today's video is not sponsored by them. I literally bought this stuff with my own money. Don't want you guys to think that this is like a sponsored video. I have no problem doing sponsored videos and I'm very open about it with you guys, so this is not sponsored, I promise. I did this whole process. I'll walk you guys through it. Let's show you what I'm working with. How's this lighting? Pretty horrible. So we are going to be getting rid of all this orange once and for all. I have been wanting to do this for like over a year. Like, look how disgusting my hair is. It's so dirty. I look like a homeless person living at the beach. Like, that's my hair right now. I got someone from the hair salon department to help me find a color. She said this one would probably be my best bet. Just think my hair is going to suit better with this color. I have no idea. I've literally never matched my own hair color before. Like, I don't even think I've dyed my own hair like one whole color myself. I'm gonna open this box. Does anybody have a scissor in here? Okay. Oh, now I'm remembering everything. Super easy, like everything's like super organized. Okay, so it's saying to divide my hair into 4 sections. Do I get my section comb? I guess. Voila, this is barrier cream, and you don't put it on your hair, you just put it on your skin. Okay, don't apply to the hair. This is fucking terrifying. Okay, so just puncture, taking the color and then putting it into the bottle. Shake for 20 seconds. I'm so scared. You guys, I got this literally everywhere, all over. Like, look at my arms, my neck, my ear. I mean, it's everywhere. I'm going to take one of those wipes. They should provide, I hope they have like 5 of these in here because this is nuts. "30 minutes. So I will be back in 30 minutes. I just got out of the shower. Actually, not just, but I've been letting my hair air dry. Oh my god, you guys, I literally had to clean my floors completely. Luckily, I took the rug out of here because I didn't want to like have any issues. Oh my god, this is so dark. But yeah, I think I'm not used to it yet, but I think I'll be fine. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Pure Mist, which I love very much. It's a really great detangler. And then I'm gonna use the Bumble and Mobile Glow Bond Building Styler. So this has like honey in it, so it's supposed to help with hydration. And because I just dyed my hair, I want to do that. And then this also adds like a glow. It's got like a little bit of like sheen to it. And then I'm gonna use this as well, just for some extra hydration. I love this stuff. Kizoo hair oil, so yummy. By the way, these wet brushes, I feel like this is like a new style. I've never seen it where it has like the openings in the back. But this detangles my hair. It's like so much more flexible, like the way it bends really detangles your hair so good. So I retired my old one, like the regular paddle wet brush, and I got this one way, 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 way better. I'm just gonna quickly blow dry my hair. So it's the next day and I wanted to show you guys how this hair turned out. With how it turned out, I was really nervous when I was blow drying my hair, seeing the color, and I was like, oh my god, this is different than what I'm used to, but I just realized it's because I'm just not used to it yet. But when I woke up this morning and I styled it, I even put in my Luxie hair extensions just to kind of give it a little bit more volume. It's easier also to like wear hair extensions when you have one color, because like look how much it blends. It blends in so much better than my old hair extensions, because I feel like when you have highlighted hair, you have to get the right tone. You have to like make sure like the base color is like is equivalent and works with your base color. I feel more sophisticated. I don't know, I just like it. If you guys have been thinking about going darker or just getting rid of that like brassiness, like just do it. It is literally so much better. I'm so happy. Like every time I look at my hair, I'm like, so much better. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about like my hair dyeing process and things like that, you can go ahead and leave it down below in the comments below and I'll get back to you. If you did find this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and come follow me on Instagram. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!